been a Pinterest manager over the last couple of years, and I'm telling you, these videos you see on YouTube about Pinterest affiliate marketing telling you that you can make $1,700 a week, it's just not true. Well, the way they're telling you to make it anyway. I'm going to show you in a second how I made $800 from one affiliate sale using a very simple strategy. Once upon a time, you could get crazy traffic from Pinterest just a few minutes after you post a pin. But once they changed their algorithm in 2020, nothing has been the same. These YouTubers are sharing old strategies that don't work. Nowadays, you probably won't make any money in the first 3 to 6 months. No. Did they tell you that? Another thing that I see missing in these Pinterest affiliate marketing videos is that they don't actually show you how to get people to click on your pin, which is the only way that you're going to make money with affiliate marketing. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the actual ways that you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, and then I'm going to show you how to actually get them to click on your pin. So make sure you stick around. If you want a list of the best high-ticket affiliate programs to partner with, let me know in the comment section below. You ready? Here we go. First, let's talk about how this even works.
Okay, so I'm a mom, so you will see a balloon or two and a child running around sometimes, but I still have so much value to share with you, so make sure to stay tuned.
In case you don't know, affiliate marketing is a way to make money by referring other people's products and services. If they make a purchase from your recommendation, you earn a commission. I can do another video that gets into all the details about how to find affiliate programs, how to apply, and so much more. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that. Okay, so there is a very simple formula to making money on Pinterest. So we have the merchant. This is the person or the company who owns the product or service that you'll be promoting. The affiliate. You're the person who's going to be promoting the products and services. The customer. This is the person who buys the product or service from the merchant through your affiliate link. So when this equation works, you end up making the profit from the sale. The first thing you need to do if you want to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing is to choose a niche that works on Pinterest. Not every niche is popular. And I know that some people will tell you to pick something that makes you happy or pick something that you're passionate about. But the truth is, passion doesn't always pay the bills. So when you're trying to pick a profitable niche on Pinterest, you want to pick something that somebody is already actively searching for. Something that's going to convert well and that has high ticket affiliate partners. Some of the most popular niches on Pinterest are finance, beauty, food, fashion. And even though these niches keep getting more and more competitive, that doesn't mean that it's impossible for you to rank for a keyword to get traffic. But converting that traffic into actual sales can be tough if you don't have the right Pinterest strategy, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. Once you determine your niche, find your competition. Your competition will be the people who are talking about the same things that you want to talk about. And you're going to spend a lot of time creating eye-catching pins with a great title and doing Pinterest keyword research. But so are 100 other people. So when you create pins, make sure that your descriptions are better than your competitors. This is the only way that you're going to be able to rank and show up faster and more frequently in the search results. And I know it can feel overwhelming and oversaturated, but if you stay consistent, you will see results. But it's not an overnight success, so be patient and give yourself time. If you don't, you won't see results. If you want to talk about how to make money, all of these pin creators are my competition for this keyword. This pinner, Gathering Dreams, has been pinning for years and ranks well, and her niche is split between personal finance and food. This process is how I identify my competitors and how I'm able to see if they're using an affiliate link in their articles. When I scroll through this article, I have a plugin that I'll link in the description below, and I can see all of their affiliate links because it's all crossed out. And when I'm looking through this article, I'm jotting down every single one of my competitors' affiliate partners. Because when I'm looking at and studying my competitors, I like to think of how I can use it to make money for myself, and if I can become an affiliate partner with that program as well. Pinterest doesn't pay you, so you do have to have a lead magnet, which can be an affiliate link directly to a company's product. You could do a free workshop, start a blog, a website to actually make money with affiliate marketing. Don't worry, we're getting to that in a second. The next thing you need to do to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing is partnering with companies and brands. Like I mentioned earlier, there are 3 key parties involved with affiliate marketing. My niche is personal finance, and that's a niche where you can make a lot of money. Because personal finance is evergreen. It's a constant. People will always need to know what to do, how to get, and how to handle their money. And there are so many companies and brands looking for people like us to promote their products and services. The only way that you're going to be able to make a lot of money fast with affiliate marketing on Pinterest is if you're able to partner with companies and brands that have either a higher commission percentage or the price of the product or service is so high that your commission payouts are way more attractive. For my first example, my first substantial affiliate sale was from someone clicking on my link for Upgrade. It's a personal loan company. So this link is on my article to help people get out of debt, and I earned $800 in affiliate commissions from helping somebody on their journey to financial freedom. So let me show you how this works. I create a fresh pin using Canva. I post that pin on Pinterest, and then I make sure that that pin is click worthy, which I'm going to show you in a second because that is key. I link that pin in my blog to my blog article where I have not one, not two, but multiple affiliate links within that article, because if they keep reading and I can hold their attention, maybe, just maybe, they'll click on even more affiliate links. Always try to give yourself more opportunities to earn more. That's why building an email list is so important. You're building your audience with the snowball effect so that when you do have something to promote, you have a collection of people who are already interested in whatever you have to share. You can join this for free with this company that I'll link in the description. It's one of the best free digital marketing tools to grow your audience. It's a way to capture their email addresses. So you're going to create a lead magnet. For example, if your blog is about healthy recipes, then you could offer a free ebook with 10 exclusive recipes for your subscribers. This sounds really good, right? But the catch is, in order to get these 10 exclusive recipes, they have to give you their email address. So now you've got them hooked. A good strategy that I've learned from my blog articles is to give them great information from the get-go and then link them to something that you know that they'll care about more. And now you have another person added to your email list that will probably be a customer on whatever product or service that you're promoting in the future. I know that this requires work and commitment, but if you stick with it, I promise you will see results. This is a proven method. So make sure to use this strategy to try to get people to click on your pin. Because without an audience, you're not going to make any money with affiliate marketing. There are 3 main pain points of making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Get people to click on your pin. That is the only way that you're going to be able to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, if you can get somebody to click on your pin. The number one mistake I see people make when they create their pins is making their text way too small. Nobody can read it. Always make your title bigger so it's easier to read, and use a plain font, nothing too fancy. If you think about your users, they're more likely to be scrolling on their phone, and if they can't read it because it's too small, you just missed an opportunity not only on the pin click, but also a potential affiliate sale. If your pin doesn't stand out and draw attention to itself in that sea of pins, then you lose. You gotta think, when your users are on Pinterest, they're looking for ideas, inspiration, and instruction. They don't really care about anything else. And you have less than 2 seconds to grab their attention, so it's gotta be good enough to get somebody to click. This is what I call making your pin click worthy. My next tip is to write a great headline. So when I say headline, it's the core words that you see on the pin that will attract your users. No one is going to click on a pin if your pin is boring. Try not to make it more than 6 words. If it's more than 6 words and they're scrolling really quickly, you got to think they're just gonna roll right past it. The next tip is to zoom in on your image and make it lighter and brighter, because our eyes naturally take us there. And make sure that the contrast is really good between your text and your image. I like to scroll through Pinterest to see what comes up when I'm searching for a keyword. That way I can see the top results and get an idea of what my pin should look like and what it should look better than. Another thing that I found helpful is by using emotion words in your headline, because people are more likely to click on something that they can relate to. Or if you can write headlines that play into fear or excitement. So take your time to understand your user's intent, because your pins are providing the answers of why they're even on Pinterest in the first place. So I like to get my images from Canva, Unsplash, or Pexels. The next pain point is algorithm updates. The last few Pinterest algorithm updates completely changed the way that users, myself included, understand the platform and how your content performs. So just when you think you're getting the hang of it, boom, Pinterest will switch it up again. And when this happens, what I find most helpful is going to a community of like-minded people that are already in this space and know what to do next to get their pin seen. So I'll link the few Facebook groups that I'm in the description below for you guys to join. the thing that YouTubers don't share about making money on Pinterest is sharing their Pinterest strategy, because obviously that's the gateway that made them thousands of dollars. Right now, the best Pinterest strategy, and to get the algorithm to work in your favor, you need to pin at least 3 times a day. And if it's not too taxing for you, try to do 5 or 6 pins a day. Pinners who are seeing the best traffic are the ones doing the right things to get people to click. Number 1, get people to click on their fresh pins. 2, pinning at least 3 times a day to different boards with strong keywords and strong descriptions. I know that Pinterest would probably love pinning more than 3 times a day, but that's really what I find realistic for me in terms of investment. So in a second, I'll show you how to save time with your pins. To give you an example of what I mean by strong keywords, I mean whatever your main keyword is, you're using that same word or phrase in your title and in your description to try to maximize the visibility to people searching for that keyword. This is how you optimize your Pinterest SEO. And also make sure to use your related keyword. And this is what I mean by that. For example, I created a pin for how to make your house smell good, and I'm ranking toward the top for this keyword. And if someone is scrolling on Pinterest and curious about how to make your house smell good, you're gonna click. Not only that, but I piqued their curiosity because I'm saying, hey, number 8 will shock you. They wanna know what number 8 is. So in my title, I have my keyword, and in my description, I've also added a related keyword, natural ways to make your house smell good. So this helps solve a problem for Pinterest, because they're like, oh, you must really know what you're talking about, because this pin is telling you how to make your house smell good and how to make it smell good naturally too. So in every single pin you create, make sure to put a call to action and encourage people to click. Something like number 3 worked for me, or number 1 will surprise you. This can help determine whether or not someone clicks on your pin. This is how you get your first sale in affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And once you got this down, this is an easy side hustle. If you want a Pinterest strategies checklist, I've linked this one in the description below for you to download it for free. No one has time to babysit your pinning, so I always schedule out my pin. Just spend 1 hour of your day, get in Canva, and schedule out your pins for the week. It can be aggressively time consuming to create and post pins every single day consistently. This is what I really feel is helpful. You could use Tailwind too to schedule out your pins and even rotate them to different but relevant boards. Tailwind is the main reason for my Pinterest traffic secrets that got me to the 1 million viewers by helping to repin my high quality pins to different but relevant boards. This was and still is one of the best ways that I earn a passive income. And I've been experimenting with Pinterest ads lately, and that's been really interesting. So let me know in the comments section if you want me to do a video on how to run Pinterest ads, so I can share the tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. Drop a pin emoji in the comment section below if you thought this video was helpful. And if you're interested in making $5,000 a month without showing your face or recording your voice, make sure to check out this video, because this mom makes so much money that she was able to retire her husband by doing this. Alright, so if you found this affiliate marketing Pinterest video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell for notifications so you won't miss anything else. And if you made it to the end, type I made it to let me know that I didn't do this video for nothing. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.